I experienced at the conference is truly God's touch. It's incredible. It is like we are in heaven. That's how I perceived it. It is certainly important to realize that maybe we make some mistakes or do something wrong, and through something we may not get to heaven or to Lord Jesus. I believe that if many people understand the revelation, then it can encourage us.
And if you go and see in Revelation chapter 22, 18 to 19, it says if you add or subtract from this book of Revelation, then you cannot enter the kingdom of heaven, but rather receive plagues, right? So this book of Revelation talks about the work of recreation. The first heaven, first earth passes away, and the new heaven and a new earth gets created, right? And that's why also God said that it's like the times of Noah.
The book of Revelation is something that is being revealed for us to see. Like when Apostle John said that God is ready to send an angel from heaven to protect us from everything. For example, from those difficult times that are to come. And I believe that the book of Revelation reveals to pastors how we have to win more and more people who are outside the church. This is how we have to work for God. Yes, revelation can awaken my church. For me, this conference is very important, and I believe that it will wake Europe up, that it will touch people's hearts so that they can come closer to Jesus. And I saw a lot of young people who were really fired up, and this thirst and this hunger, I believe it will be for the glory of God.